Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys sound and vibration, and friends today video title is guys how can we on guys phone charging sound in our Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to on guys your Infinix phone charging sound. So how can you on and how can we use it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we on guys Infinix phone charging sound and how can we use it. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, you can see a phone sound and vibration. Guys, tap on phone sound and vibration. Again scroll. Friends, you can see a phone charging sound and vibration. We will on from right side icon. And friends, come back. So guys, wait guys. I am going to pause video guys. Let me bring my charger. So friends, continue. Friends, you can see guys. I will on my charger guys. So after on charger guys, you can see that this phone charging sound guys we can use like that. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on phone charging sound and how to use it. So bye guys.